Dr. Real Estate coming at you guys again. Today we have an expired listing. Former broker couldn't sell it, but guess what? We're here. Omar, what we got?
Guys, welcome to this beautiful multifamily property right here in Orange, New Jersey. Unit 1, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Unit 2, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Right next to the park. Let's go inside. Everybody, thank you so much for taking a tour of this property with me. Again, we're on an oversized lot with move-in ready units. Call me today to schedule your private show.